method of joint. We were just started method of joint. Okay. So as we discussed in this, uh, joint by joint we have to go. So it is necessary to consider each and every joint, and then we are going to calculate the forces. So first problem we have taken. Okay. So in this problem again, as like yesterday, your answer and my answer are not matching. Either I have committed mistake or you have committed mistake, or uh, both togetherly we have committed mistake. So what it is there,
सर
we will see.
FED च डिरेक्शन चुकलं होतं.
हा सर त्याला आम्ही थेरम अप्लाय केलं की काही जरी घेतलं टेन्साईल जरी कन्सिडर केलं आणि कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह जरी कन्सिडर केलं तर पॉझिटिव्हच येते की.
I'm not getting what you are telling. Where here in first step itself, RARFAE, where?
हा सर आता FBD ऑफ ट्रस्ट जे पहिलं स्टेप आहे. हा नाही जॉईंट ए पशी जी स्टेप आहे तिथं आपण लामिस थेरम अप्लाय केला. मग जे आपण दोन फोर्सेस आहेत FAB आणि FAE हे अवे फ्रॉम पॉइंट म्हणजे कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह मानले नाही टेन्साईल मानले.
Sorry. Will you repeat who was telling something? I was having call in between. Huh? Sakshi, you were telling something?
Yes, sir.
Where you were telling?
जॉईंट ए पशी ती FAE आणि FAB हे अवे फ्रॉम ए मानले म्हणजे टेन्साईल मानले आणि मग तिथे लामिस थेरम अप्लाय केला तरी पण ते पॉझिटिव्ह येते आणि मग तिथे कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह मानले तरी पण काही संबंध येतच नाही की सायन्सचा. मग तिथे पॉझिटिव्हच येते. त्याची डायरेक्शन कशी ठरवायची?
हा सर लामिस थेरम वरनं नेचर ऑफ फोर्स कळत नाही.
हा
कळत
सर
नाही. ते एक ड्रॉबॅक आहे या मेथडचा ड्रॉबॅक आहे ते मी सांगणार होतो आता. इन दिस ट्रस actually in Lami's theorem we get magnitude of force because whatever Lami's theorem statement was there statement असं सांगतं की magnitude of force is proportional to sin of angle between other two. हा मॅग्निट्यूड वर्ड आहे का बघा बरं जरा कन्फर्म करा बरं. आय थिंक इट इज देअर. मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स असं म्हटलंय का फोर्स म्हटलंय Lami's theorem? If it is with you, you can check. Otherwise, I am going to check because here that drawback of this sheet of that Lami's theorem, it can't give nature of force. The nature of force is सांगतच नाही. Number one, हा drawback आहे. It will give magnitude of force. Magnitude देऊ शकते पण काय होऊ शकत नाही. What it will not give?
Nature of the force.
Nature of force. It will not give nature of force. So it's better to use conditions of equilibrium. Either summation of x equal to 0, summation of y equal to 0, or summation of moment. So as we are going to consider point by point. Here there is no question of. Here there is no question of. What we can say? Summation of moment. There is only one point. So there is no question of third condition of equilibrium. So that is major drawback of we can say here. As far as analyzing the truss, when we are going to analyze the truss, that will be the major drawback of this. Okay. Again, whatever simultaneous equations yesterday we got. So I think some of the students messaged me. Neither by my values, neither by your values that equations are getting satisfied. So
सर ते
again,
ई पॉइंटला डिरेक्शन चुकले होते सर आपले.
Okay, what we will do, we will solve this problem once again without Lami's theorem. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because try to understand one problem is sufficient in this actually, and such type of so much lengthy problems are there here. So what we will do, we will solve once again same problem. So I will take on new slide. Just wait. Because if you will understand one problem, remaining are very easy. Just wait. I will create new slide with the same problem and we will solve it. Okay, are you observing screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just wait. So what I have did, I have taken this problem on new slide. Okay, like नवीन slide वरती problem घेतला. We will see now what to do. What is screen? So here, what we want to do? काय करायचं आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये? What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find forces, nature of forces or forces in all the members. Okay, so let us see one by one now. It may be those who have solved, it may be the revision. If not, procedure is not going to change. Keep in mind, we are not going to change. I have not, I think. Whether slide is changed?
No, sir.
Okay, so be careful. Yeah, we will go now one step by step. So, if you will understand one chap this, I think the recording is going on. Okay. Now, first, once we are going to analyze the truss, what is our first step? What I have told yesterday, which is our first step while analyzing the truss? What we are supposed to do?
FBD.
Either we can go for FBD or we can see directly. We can apply the conditions of equilibrium and we can find the reactions. To find the reaction is the first step in this. It is our first. You can go for, again you will confuse. So if you want to go for FBD, no issue, you can go. But suppose some certain force is horizontal, then it is very, very difficult. We have to show that. Suppose at this stage, at point C, one more force is there. Suppose it may come something like this. Now in FBD, where you are going to show this force? FBD मध्ये कुठं दाखवणार तुम्ही हा force? Because FBD you are going to draw only horizontal. तुम्ही horizontal काढणार. But it is very difficult. So you have to show them maybe in something like this. So for that purpose, forget about it. We will solve directly without drawing FBD as well. Because anyhow there is no horizontal force here. There is no horizontal force. Okay, so if I will apply anyhow summation fx is equal to 0. Okay, summation fx is equal to 0. No any force is horizontal. How many external forces are applied on this truss? External forces apart. किती external forces आहेत हो याच्यामध्ये? Or for your information, if possible, I will draw. How many external forces are acting here?
3.
3. Correct. 3. Here it is A. Though here it is a joint, I will say R A H R A V. RAH, RAV, and these forces, which are they? Suppose here it is 40 kilonewton.
Sir,
Then
D
here
point,
it is-
sir, last.
Sorry, I will take. And here it is. Okay, in this way. Here it is D. So this point will be RD, and here point B. Okay, so forces are with you. Whether you are able to see diagram in very corner, I have drawn this. So summation fx equal to 0, which will give RAH equal to 0 because no any force is horizontal. Okay, then summation Fy equal to 0. So what it will give? RAV plus RD, okay, minus 40 minus 50 minus 60 equal to 0. So what it will give? RAV plus RD equal to how much? 150?
Yes, 150.
150, equation number 1. Now summation of moment due to all the forces either at point D or at point A, whatever it may be. Okay. Then what we can do? So we have seen this extra distal 4t into
1.
you will see now. So I have drawn such lines extra. So you can 4t. How object is going to rotate? Clockwise. So 40, clockwise. 40 into 1. Again due to 50. Again object will rotate into this clockwise. Then 50 into 3.
3.
Correct, no? And RD minus RD into
4.
plus 2. 4, no? 4 equal to 0.
60.
Therefore,
60 राहिलं की.
60 राहिलं sir.
how object will rotate?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
So again it will come plus, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 60 into 2, no?
2.
Equal to 0. Okay, from this calculate RD. So
77.
not possible. How much? Yesterday we have calculated
77.5.
7.5.
77.5
5.
5.
77.5 kilonewton. Okay, from equation 1. From equation 1.
RAV.
From equation 1, RAV equal to
RA
72.5.
72.5.
5.
And we know RA equal to how much? RA equal to how much?
RAH square plus RAV square.
RA
Under.
equal to
Under root.
under root RAH square plus RAV square equal to, now one of the force is 0, so directly it will become how much? Under root 72.5. So equal to 72.5 kilonewton. So first step, while solving the problem, so I will write here RD, or what is RA? RA equal to 72.5 kilonewton and RD equal to 77.5. Correct, no? Just check.
Yes, sir.
So first task is to find reaction. Whenever we want to analyze the truss, first we have to find the reaction. Number 1, we found the reactions RA and RD. Okay, now where we have found the reaction, from that joint we have to start. Generally we have to start with the point where we have found the reaction or where there are the reactions. So number 1, one by one we will go now. One by one. Consider joint. Consider joint A. Okay. FBD. So we will draw FBD. What will be that? There is a point. Correct. Here there is a point A. Reaction we have calculated step by step. Reaction we have calculated RA. Correct. Then this horizontal force, sorry, not horizontal force, we can say R AE. So here there will be something AE component. Here it is E. I will say AE. A, and here there is one of the component, which is that B. Now choice is yours. Choice is yours to assume nature of force. It is your choice now. It is your choice. How we will assume? How we will assume nature in force member AB? Are you with me?
Tensile.
Compressive.
Towards A.
Okay, towards A. We will assume towards A. No issue. then how we will assume force or nature of force in AE member? Shall we assume tensile? Away from the point. Away from the point means what? Okay, so here we will take precaution that we should not apply here Lami's theorem, because I will check. This is the drawback of Lami's theorem, because anyhow, whatever it may be the answer, it will give positive answer. So if you find sine of more than 180 degree, just check. Is it coming negative? Suppose you will find sine of 190. How much it is coming? Just check. Sine of 190. Is it coming negative? More than 180, I'm saying. I want to say more than
Yes,
180.
sir. Negative.
Yes, sir. It is negative.
Negative, sir.
Okay, it is coming negative. Okay, so we will not use Lami's theorem. I will check once again. Is there any certain conditions to apply Lami's theorem? Because there may be certain cases.
Sir?
Because
तिथं जे आपण दोन्ही अँगल मधला 180 पेक्षा कमी अँगल घेतोय तो सोडून त्याच्या दुसरा जर करस्पॉन्डिंग घेतला तर मग बरोबर येईल कदाचित.
ते आय विल चेक. आता इथं काय म्हणू आपण त्याला, इथं टेस्ट करण्यात काय अर्थ नाही. मी पर्सनल चेक करतो की ते असंच काय आहे का. अजून एक माझा प्रॉब्लेम देर इज मे बी वन मोर क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड, माय पर्सनल क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू Lami's theorem. What I feel, either forces will be inward. All the three forces should either it will be inward or outward. म्हणजे असं असायला हवाय की तिन्ही फोर्स एक तर ते आतमध्ये यायला पाहिजेत किंवा बाहेर चाललेले पाहिजे. तर इथं बघा बरं काय होतंय, वेदर दे आर इनवर्डिंग
Yes,
और
sir.
आउटवर्डिंग, इट मे बी द केस. आय हॅव टू चेक दॅट. असं मला वाटतं की ते असं असायला पाहिजे. इट इज द केस. एकतर फोर्सेस सगळेच बाहेर चाललेले पाहिजे पॉइंट मधून. हा,
गुगल वर मी मग चेक केलं होतं तसंच होतं. तिन्ही पण फोर्सेस आउटवर्डच होते.
एक तर ते आउटवर्ड पाहिजेत किंवा इनवर्ड पाहिजेत, ते पण जरा चेक करावं लागेल मला. आय विल चेक.
हा सर, मध्ये एकदा मी म्हणलं होतं ते 360 सम
हा,
कधीच
sir.
येत आहे सर.
That we will see. Don't worry. But here we will not apply now because we don't know what is exact, because it will not give nature. Nature देतच नाही Lami's theorem. That we will see. So what we will do here, we will apply, instead of that we will apply suppose summation fx equal to 0. Okay. Instead of summation, now if you will apply summation fx equal to 0, shall we, is it possible for us to get any force directly? No, it will not. No. First we will apply summation fy. आपण काय करू, समेशन fy अप्लाय करूया पहिल्यांदा. का कशामुळे मी म्हटलं समेशन fy अप्लाय करूया, horizontal force will not come, that's why. So this horizontal force will not come. Okay, so how it will come? Ra value we know how much it is, 72.5 upward, that's why positive. Ra will come. What is the y component of that force? Fab काय असेल, minus
AB sin 60.
minus FAB sin 60. From here equal to 0. Only this much. Therefore, I am writing in the corner. Just check, is it possible to see? FAB equal to, ह्याच्यावरून FAB काढा बरं किती येतं. हा, how much is FAB?
83.71.
How much?
83.71.
Plus 83 point
71.
83.71. That one. Now. So, next. काय म्हणलं? Next, what we will do now? आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? Summation f x shall we apply summation f x equal to 0? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Summation f x equal to 0. Now RA will not come. The reaction RA, because it is vertical. And what will come? What will be the x component of force AB? Force AB चा x component काय येईल?
minus AB
Whether it will
cos
come-
60.
minus force AB cos 60.
Okay, minus whatever force it is there, AB into cos 60 plus force AE, no? Force AE. Is it correct? Just check. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And you found out already force in AB. So what we will do here? Directly you can get value of force in AE equal to. Just try to calculate how much it is. I also calculate. So it will become plus. So 83.71 into cos 60. Is it coming 41.85?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So immediately you should tell. So 41.855. So let it be. We will take like this. So this one. So at point A, we got these two value. Yep, AB equal to 83.71 kilonewton.
सर नेचर ऑफ अ फोर्स आताच डिसाइड करा.
हा,
आपण घेतलेलं
आताच
पण करेक्ट आहे
घेतलं.
सर.
Which joint we will consider now? कुठली joint घ्यायची आता सांगा पुढं. Shall we take D? First we will complete reactions. Where there are reactions, then we will select other joints. Okay. So in second stage, what I will do? Consider joint what? D.
Yes, sir.
Let us consider joint D. Lengthy problems are there. Patience are required. Lengthy problems are there. Most lengthy problem for the EM. Patience are required. FBD. I will draw FBD here. FBD. How many members are coming together at point D?
2.
किती येते तो? So there is one reaction, no?
3.
One reaction.
3.
Two members only. 2 members at point D and one reaction. So total 3. Already. So here there is point D. Here maybe something. Choice is yours now. So have you noted down here whatever our assumptions were there? Assumptions. No any force came negative means negative आला नाही बघा इथं राहिलं माझी गोष्ट. I have forgotten one thing. Our no any force came negative. That means what? Whatever our assumptions were there, it is correct. एखादा फोर्स निगेटिव्ह आला नाही याचा अर्थ आपण काय अजम्पशन जे केले होते ते काय झाले प्रॉपर झाले किंवा काय म्हणूया आपण ट्रू. Whatever we have assumed it is true. So FAE, how we have assumed FAE force? Tensile, no?
Yes, sir.
It is tensile. And how we have assumed the force AB? Member in force AB, compression, no? So it is compression. JPG का? Okay, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now here, now you tell me how I should imagine or how I should assume the nature in the forces. RD is already there. Here I will say F E D. Here I will say F C D. Now you tell me how I should assume.
Both tensile.
Okay, both tensile. Away from the point means tensile. Both tensile. Okay. Okay. Angle is known to us. How much is this angle? It is given already. 60 degree. 60 degree. Now let us see. Now we will not apply Lami's theorem. I have to check that conditions. certain. Is it related to only magnitude? If it is related to magnitude, forget about Lamy's theorem. I will check today. I will check. But let us apply conditions of equilibrium at point D. RD is known, and here we are supposed to find FCD and FED. So if we will apply summation fx, whether we will get any value, we will get equation in FED and FCD, because one is horizontal, one is inclined with horizontal. Okay. So if I will apply initially summation fy equal to 0, what will happen? Initially the summation fy equal to 0 apply केलं तर काय होईल? Whether in that
FCD.
equation I will get FCD. In that equation, FED will not come. That's why I will apply this directly. So RD, we have calculated how much it is. 77.5. It is a 4, that's why I have taken positive. Okay, further, FCD. What is its Y component? It will be plus FCD into sine 60 equal to 0. From this, we will get FCD. किती येते सांगा? I also came with today calculator. It will come this. So 77.5
minus
divided by
89.48
89.48.
Minus, sir.
minus 89.48
minus 89.48
48.
kilonewton. It is coming minus. Minus का लावा था? Why it came minus?
Opposite direction.
पण टेन्साईल कन्सिडर केला होता हा कॉम्प्लेक्स.
Yes, we have assumed it as tensile, but it is compressive. That's why I will write here 89.48 kilonewton, which is compressive. Actually, its nature is compressive. So this may be the one equation. Equation or one force. Now let us apply. Which equation? Summation fx equal to 0. Okay. Now here there may be a little.
आता आपल्याला पुढे एखाद कॅल्क्युलेशन करताना जर FCD लागला तर मग तो विथ साइन घ्यायचा का
लागणार.
ओनली 89.48 घ्यायचा?
आता लागणारच आहे. मी सांगतो आताच लागतंय आपलं. समेशन fx इक्वल टू 0 कॅल्क्युलेट करताना FCD पाहिजे ना आपल्याला.
हा,
मग त्याचं नेचर कसं आलंय आता? ऍक्च्युअल नेचर कसं आहे त्याचं कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह आहे. म्हणजे तो कुठं पाहिजे? डी कडे जाणारा पाहिजे. ते काय म्हणू आपण सिम्बॉल किंवा काय म्हणू डायरेक्शन. त्याची ऍक्च्युअल डायरेक्शन कॅल्क्युलेट विचारात घेऊन त्याचा एक्स कंपोनंट काढायचा. नॉट द वॅट वी हॅव अज्युम्ड. आपण जे अज्युम केले होते ती डायरेक्शन नाही घ्यायच्या. त्याची ऍक्च्युअल डायरेक्शन कशी आहे? टुवर्ड्स डी. कॉम्प्रेशन टुवर्ड्स डी असणार आहे, बरोबर आहे? कॉम्प्रेशन आला ना, म्हणून आता समेशन एफएक्स काढताना मग त्याचा एफसीडी कंपोनंट ऍक्च्युअल साइन नुसार काढायचा. ऍक्च्युअल डायरेक्शन नुसार त्याचा एक्स कंपोनंट किती येईल कोण सांगताय? प्लस येईल का मायनस येईल होतो? ऍक्च्युअली एफसीडीचा एक्स कंपोनंट
प्लस
प्लस यायला पाहिजे, प्लस. म्हणून एफसीडी आपल्याला माहिती आहे किती आहे. एफसीडी इंटू कॉस 60.
Yes, sir.
cos 60 and FED, we have assumed it as tensile. So
Yes.
we'll check how it will come. FCD into cos 60 minus, no, because it is going towards left, minus FED equal to 0. So from this we will calculate FED. त्यावरून FED किती येतं कॅल्क्युलेट करा बरं.
44.74. Positive.
44.74
74.
kilonewton, and our assumption as it is come positive, it means we have assumed it is correct, and we have assumed the tensile, it is also correct. अलग लक्षात बघा. Very slowly and steadily we should go. slowly and steadily. Are you with me? Actual nature we have to consider, actual, not the way we have assumed. So two joints we have covered, two joints. Okay, up to this, is there any problem? We have found the reactions, we have found the forces in 4 members till now. आतापर्यंत आपण किती मधले नेचर फाइंड आउट केले? 4 मधले. आणि किती मेंबर आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये? 3 + 3 6 + 1 7. Total 7 members are there. Out of that 4 members, forces in 4 members we found out. Is it correct? Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you tell me which joint we will consider. Shall we go for B and C or E?
Point E.
Instead we have
Point E.
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 E. If you see point E, then there will be how many unknowns? किती unknown येतील बघा बरं. B and BC. Two
दोन.
unknown.
2 unknowns.
Okay, 2 unknowns. AE and ED. AE and ED we found out. Okay.
हा.
2 unknowns, 2 equations we will get because both the members are inclined. Shall we go for point E?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will go then. Let us see what will happen. As choice is yours, we will go for point E. Now you tell me, because that figure is not with me right now. So third joint we are going to consider. Consider joint E. Then here I will write FBD. FBD. Sorry, FBD. So let us see very carefully. Number of forces are there at point E. So I will draw here. Horizontal. One force is there. How much it is? I think 60, no?
60.
60 kilonewton. In this way, now check in your notebook. I don't have anything. How here that force is?
सर डायग्राम खाली घ्या की वरती जागा पुरत नाही.
काय म्हणताय? नाही ना, मला शेअर केल्यानंतर काय करता येत नाही.
तुम्ही
आहे.
पॉइंट ए खाली घ्या, आता एफबीडी काढताय बघा तेव्हा.
पॉइंट ई.
हा सर, थोडं खाली घ्या म्हणजे वरती फोर्स चांगलं काढता येत आहे.
पूर्ण डायग्राम खाली घ्या म्हणते सर, ते पूर्ण डायग्राम खाली घ्या.
Okay, I will take otherwise this. Okay, no issue. I will take little below. What was that? What I have written? Consider point E.
Joint E.
Point or joint म्हणूया. Point म्हणजे त्याला केलं. Joint. Consider joint. Okay. So here I will draw. Don't worry, lot of space. So here I will draw. So vertical force. How much it is vertical?
60.
60 kilonewton. I think one horizontal force is also there, no?
2 horizontal.
Okay, 2 are there. Which is this member here? I think one force is something like this, no?
Yes.
And another
Yes,
is
sir.
one member is something like this.
Yes, sir.
It is something like this. Okay, so here there is a point E. Here there is a point E. Okay, this 60. How nature came in from the point or member ED? ED मधलं nature कसं आलं आपलं? Tensile. And tensile meaning काय म्हणलं आपण? Away from the point or towards the point. Away from the joint. So it will come something like this, no? असं येईल त्याचं
Yes,
nature
sir.
इकडं.
Yes, sir.
Which is this force? FED. Okay, similarly, I will go a little back. Force AE. Force in member AE. How it came? इथं आहे बघा आपण calculate.
Tensile.
Compressive? Tensile. आणि किती आलेला आहे तो? 41.85. 41.85 or 86? 40,
41.85.
whatever it. Now we want to find the forces in B and C, means here it will be force EC and here it will be force BC. Now you tell me how we will assume. Choice is yours. तुम्ही सांगा हे कसे assume करायचे.
Tensile.
Both.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir?
both.
मागची स्लाइड दाखवा एक मिनिट. ओके सर.
Both tensile. Let us see both tensile. If you want to have both tensile, then both tensile. How many total forces are?
So B na. BC to the B na.
Sorry, B. Yes, B, not B. B. Sorry. Now, how many unknown forces are there in this FBD?
2 forces.
Two.
2.
Two forces. Which are they? Force C or EC and force B or EB. So let us apply. Other forces are known to us. Already we have calculated. You can tell me the value. What is the value of this ED? Force ED?
44.74.
Okay, 44.70. 74. And what is value this? I think 41.85. Okay, let us apply. And angles now you know better. This angle is 60 degree and this also angle is 60 degree. Is it correct?
Yes.
So apply.
Yes, sir.
Apply, suppose first summation fx equal to 0. Summation fx is equal to 0. Tell me now. One by one. So let us consider 60 kilonewton. There is no question of 60 kilonewton. याच्यामध्ये 60 kilonewton चा काही फरक पडणार नाही. First I will take force FBE. FBE चा x component कोण सांगेल काय येईल? Plus or minus?
Minus
Relative-
FBE cos 60.
Minus B cos 60.
minus FBE into cos 60. Okay, then we will take next one. What is that?
FEC.
FEC. Whether it will come plus or minus
Positive.
Plus.
into cos 60. Okay, then this FED, it will come plus as it is. What is that? 44.74. And this will come minus 41.85 equal to 0. From this equation, you have to tell me value of cos 60. What is cos 60?
0.5.
Okay, 0.5. 0.5 minus again. 0.5 F BE plus 0.5 F CE equal to this constant term we will take to other. Just check how much it is coming. Minus minus
2.9.
2.9. Is it correct? सगळ्यांनी सांगा बरोबर आहे का?
2.89.
2.89 means 9. Okay. Round
Yes.
up. Round up. Okay, 2.89 means this. Okay, now summation. Summation Fy equal to 0. All forces, horizontal forces will not come now. Only vertical. First I will take FBE. Whether it will come positive or negative.
Positive.
FBE positive. What is its y component?
FB sin
E sin 60.
FBE sin 60. What about this FEC? Again plus FEC into sin 60. Correct.
Yes,
Then
sir.
and horizontal forces. What about horizontal forces? Minus 60
Minus 60.
directly. Horizontal forces will not come now. What is value of sin 60?
0.86.
0.86. FBE plus 0.86 FEC equal to 60. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these two simultaneous equations we have to find. आता हे दोन simultaneous equation find करायचे. आता तुम्हाला माहित असेल थोडस आउट ऑफ सिलेबस थोडस a1x plus b1y कशी सोडवायचे आता तुम्ही I don't know whether you have used a calculator or not. Maybe
सर ते
a1x
आपण 0.5 कॉमन आणि 0.86 कॉमन घेतलं तर कॅल्क्युलेटरचं गरज पण पडत नाही.
म्हणजे काय म्हणतात 0 पॉईंट कॅल्क्युलेटर परत काय करायचं प्लस मायनस आपण हे बघू की वी शुड यूज कॅल्क्युलेटर वाय टू गो फॉर दॅट b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2 हे दोन इक्वेशन आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये अननोन काय आहेत हो या दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन मध्ये विच आर द टू अननोन्स
XY.
xy and remaining are the coefficient. Now I don't know, shall I tell? I brought today calculator. So if you press mode button, तुमच्या कॅल्क्युलेटर वरती मोड बटन आहे का मोड MODE
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ते प्रेस करा 2 3 4 5 वेळा काय असेल ते जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला EQN म्हणजे इक्वेशन येत नाही तोपर्यंत बघा बरं जरा प्रेस करा आणि तुम्हाला एका
आलंय
प्रेस
sir.
करताना लक्षात
आलं
इक्वेशन
sir.
हा
आलंय आलंय सर आलं
नंबर किती आहे इक्वेशनचा
एक
तेवढा तो
One.
One
एक
आहे.
असेल तर
One.
एक 1 असेल तर 1 प्रेस करा तुमच्या कॅल्क्युलेटरवर आता पुढे काय आलंय
अननोन म्हणते सर
Unknown. 2, 3 आले.
अननोन
अननोन्स 2 3 आता आपल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये किती अननोन आहे तो
2.
2 म्हणून 2 प्रेस करा 2 प्रेस 2
A1 आलं.
हा आता A1 मी हे दोन इक्वेशन टाकलेत बघा
A1
A1
हा
A1 च विथ साइन तुम्ही टाकायचं आता किती व्हॅल्यू आली A1 ची म्हणजे FB चा कोएफिशियंट किती आहे हो 0.5 आहे का मायनस 0.5 आहे
-0.5.
मायनस 0.5 टाकायचं इक्वल टू म्हणायचं परत पुढे काय येते बघा B1 येणार B1
Yes, sir.
परत 0.5 म्हणायचं B1 येणार परत प्रेस करायचं परत C1 विचारणार तो किती आहे C1 काय मायनस 2.9 आहे का प्लस 2.9 आहे मायनस आहे परत A2 परत तो A2 विचारेल 0.86 परत इक्वल टू 0.86 आणि परत C2 आहे 60 तुम्हाला एक्स आणि वाय च्या व्हॅल्यू भेटतील
X ची 37.78.
37.78
Yes, sir.
आणि एक्स
37.78.
थांबा थोडं पण आपल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये एक्स आणि वाय म्हणजे काय आहे हो
FBE
X
म्हणजे
equal to FB and Y equal to FC.
FB म्हणजे काय आहे आपला एक्स आहे FBE तो प्लस आलाय का मायनस आलाय हो प्लस आलाय
Plus
बरोबर तो 37 पॉईंट किती आलाय 78
78.
आणि आपण कसा अज्युम केलाय हो याला म्हणजे साइन त्याचा आहे तसं आला याचा अर्थ अवर अज्युम्शन इज करेक्ट कसा अज्युम केलाय आपण अवे फ्रॉम द पॉइंट मीन्स टेन्स आहे and what about other पण पॉझिटिव्ह आला आहे
31.98
आणि पाण्यात जरा पप्पाला जा.
31.98 सर
Yes, sir.
31.98.
Yes, sir.
31.98
Yep. EC equal to किती आलाय 31 ना
31.98.
31.98 किलो न्यूटन आणि तो आपण अज्युम केलता टेन्साईल तो पण टेन्साईल किती फोर्सेस कॅल्क्युलेट केलेत आपण आतापर्यंत?
6.
मागचे आणि हे मिळून काय 1 2 3 4 6 झाले. किती एक मेंबर मग आता कुठला मेंबर राहिला हो आपला याच्यामधला? आपण हे पण फाइंड आउट केले.
BC.
FBC.
हा FB
FBC.
FBC.
FBC. ओनली इट इज रिमेन द FBC. फक्त FBC राहिलाय आता आपला. ओके. सो आयदर यू कॅन कन्सिडर जॉईंट A और जॉईंट चॉईस इज युअर्स. कुठला कन्सिडर करायचं सांगा आता?
B.
D. Okay, choice is yours. Consider joint B. Okay, so here I will draw it's FBD. So directly I will FBD. So here, how it is? I think vertical force is applied, no? Not here. Vertical force 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. Okay. So one is something like this. असं एक आहे. Is it correct? In this way there is one. Okay. In this horizontal direction there is another. Sorry.
And vertical.
And one is vertical. And one is vertical. Okay, vertical. So as it is, no issue. How much it is there vertical?
40.
40.
40.
40 kilonewton. Okay. FAB. What is the nature of force FAB? The nature लक्षात घ्यावं लागेल आपल्याला डायरेक्शन शो करताना. What is the nature of force AB?
Compressive.
Compressive means away from the joint or towards the joint.
Towards the joint.
Towards the joint.
Means here I have to show something like this. मला इथे हा असा दाखवला पाहिजे. Towards the joint. And how much it is? FAB. ते तुम्ही आता लक्षात ठेवा, तुम्ही लिहू शकत नाही किती आहे. You can remember. Otherwise we will go back side. Then FBE. Whether we have calculated FBE on
Yes,
this
sir.
slide. It is how it is? FBE tensile or compressive?
Tensile.
Tensile.
Tensile means away from the point or towards the point?
Away from point.
Away from the point.
Away from the point. It is away from the point. So it will be F. Is that force? FBE. FBE. And which is this horizontal force? I think BC.
Yes, sir.
Force BC. Which we
Yes,
want
sir.
to calculate? Which we want to calculate? So choice is yours now. How we will assume it? Tensile or
Compressive.
compressive? Choice is yours. Okay, you want to go for compressive. Okay. Compressive. Compressive. Now, here there is no question of Lami's theorem. So we must know all the angles, either with horizontal or vertical, while solving this joint. So what will be this angle between this? Angle किती येईल हो? 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be the angle made by this? 60
60.
with horizontal.
60.
60 with horizontal. Now it is very easy to find. Now force BC, we want to find force BC. Only one force, no? Remaining all forces we know. So is there any use to apply here summation Fy?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Summation Fy पण apply केलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल का? Nothing. Because that force will not come. Force BC will not come in summation Fy. So only one equation we should apply here because there is only one unknown. There is only one unknown. Summation of fx equal to 0. Only one equation will work here. Let us see summation fx. Whether 40 kilonewton force will come in this equation. येईल का तो?
No, sir.
Then FAB. What will be the x component of force AB? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. Similarly, what about FBE? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
It is positive.
Positive.
FBE cos 60. FBE cos 60 minus FBC equal to 0. So here we can give FAB. What is the value of FAB? Can someone tell me? Value of force FAB.
83.72.
83.72.
Okay, 83.71 into cos 60 plus B we have calculated 37.78. 37.78 equal to, directly I will write FBC. Therefore FBC, calculate FBC.
60.62.
60,
Yes.
60 point.
62.
Others, is it coming positive?
Yes, sir.
Is it coming?
Positive.
Yes.
Okay. If it is coming positive means our assumption is correct. But how we have assumed it? आपण कसं assume केलं याला?
Compressive.
Compressed.
Compressive. It is compressive. Whether we have found out all the forces. आपण all the forces केले का इथं found?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here finally you can give answers. So I will not write each and everything. So finally you can give if one, suppose force AB equal to, then second force you can give force AB, suppose force BC equal to, then third force BE equal to, then whatever you can write BE, then which are other force EC you can give, then force, check which are the members DC and ED, force DC, force ED. Again, anything is remained. I think AE is remained. AE and force AE equal. You can write finally. Likewise, so I have not written values. You can write with their nature. So just check in the morning or yesterday. I have told or I have sent one image. ज्यांनी कोणी विचारले होते, maybe I think Masal is there, Rahul Masal.
Yes, sir.
You check one image I have sent to you related to answer. Whether our answers are matching. I think Sakshi, for you also I have sent. Rahul, for you also.
Yes, sir. Same.
You can check. And that image is not with me now on computer, but you can check. So I think there may be the mistake here yesterday while solving. Actually, इथं बऱ्याच जणांना कळालंच नाही की सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सोडवायची कशी. नंबर 1.
सर
बिफोर
ते
दॅट वी कमिट,
सायमल्टेनियसचा प्रॉब्लेम झाला ना तो आपल्यासोबत.
हा तो मला लक्षात आला की आपली इक्वेशनच चुकली होती.
हा सर, त्यामुळे ते नंतरचे व्हॅल्यू पण चुकले सगळे.
हा
Somewhere we have
सर, माझं आन्सर निगेटिव्हच येत होतं.
that may be the reason because that equations itself were wrong. म्हणजे आपण चुकीच्या रोड वरून 180 स्पीड न पळालो काल.
हा सर.
Reach to our destiny. आपण कसं आपल्या डेस्टिनीला पोहोचेल. आपला रस्ता चुकला होता पूर्ण. स्पीड मात्र भरपूर होता.
ते आलेले आन्सर इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवल्यावर इक्वेशन पण सॅटिस्फाय होत नव्हतं.
होते कारण इक्वेशन कॅल्क्युलेटर वी कॅनॉट ब्लेम टू कॅल्क्युलेटर. कॅल्क्युलेटरला ब्लेम करू शकत नाही. ते ज्याचे ते व्हॅल्यू ते देऊन टाकणार. दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन आहेत. इट विल सॅटिस्फाय बाय इट्स व्हॅल्यू. बट इक्वेशन इटसेल्फ वेर रॉंग. इक्वेशनच चुकले होते. ओके, सो लाईकवाईज यू हॅव टू गो व्हेरी स्लोली. अगदी स्लोली हा प्रॉब्लेम सोडवत गेला तर जात आहे बरोबर शेवटीपर्यंत. एनी प्रॉब्लेम? हा नोट डाऊन करा. ही एक स्लाइड आणि ही एक स्लाइड. अजून एक प्रॉब्लेम आपण घेऊया या मेथड. ऍक्च्युली व्हेरी लेंथी प्रॉब्लेम. Almost 1.5 hours it will take to solve. Almost it is 15. Maybe 12 to 15 mark one problem will be there. 12 to 15. You can imagine your 2% from first year. तुमचे 2% मार्क एका प्रॉब्लेमला असू शकतात कदाचित. 2% मार्क्स आय एम सेइंग, नॉट फ्रॉम अवर सब्जेक्ट, ओव्हरऑल. saying overall तुम्ही एक जर अप्लाइड मेकॅनिक्स और इंजिनिअरिंग मेकॅनिक्सचा प्रॉब्लेम सोडवला तर तुम्हाला कमीत कमी 2% मार्क वाढतील. It may be the reason. Lengthy problems are there. What I want to tell. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Again, it is not possible to complete that problem, but whatever it may be, जिथपर्यंत शक्य आहे तेवढा सोडवूया. Remaining we can solve tomorrow. No issue. Okay. Let us see this problem. हा problem बघूया. We will. There is no question to read a problem. Hardly 1.5 line. Analyze the truss as shown in following figure. I think something is missing here. Okay, given. Okay. All members are 3 meter long. Okay. All members are 3 meter long. All members are 3 meter long, and we have to analyze the truss. So looking to this figure, how many members and how many joints are there? Huh?
11 members.
11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
11.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 members. And how many joints are there?
7.
7.
7.
3 plus 4, 7. So just for our information, not necessary to go for. So what is that equation? 2j minus 3. M is equal to 2j minus 3. M members are 11, no? Joints are 7. Minus 3. 11 equal to 11. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Perfect.
So which type of frame is this?
Perfect.
Perfect frame.
Perfect frame. Okay. So once we want to analyze the frame, our task is to find forces in 11 member. Huh? Forces in 11 member. So once there will be truss in front of you, what is your first task? आपलं first task कुठला असतो? To find the
Reaction.
Reaction.
reactions. That is our first task. To find the reactions. That is our first task. I will say it is RE. Here I
Sir?
will say
ते दोन्ही पण CCच आहे कोणतं तरी एकाला D करा.
A, B, C, maybe D. Okay, we will see consider as a D. In sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Likewise. Okay, good. Here vertical I will say here R, RV I will say vertical, and here I will say RH horizontal. Is there any force which is horizontal?
No, sir.
Force horizontal. नाही
आहे.
आहे sir. 10.
आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is there. So it is RH. One force is there. It is horizontal. Okay. So first task is to find our
Reaction.
reactions. Okay, so apply. To find reaction, I will say here. To find reactions. Okay, so what we will do first? Will you find the reactions first? Let me know. How many forces are there? Vertical 1, 2, 3, horizontal 1. So let us find first. RA. Will you find this first? Let us see. RA and RE. Two reactions. Will you find? I will go 2 minutes. Let us find.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, find it. Is it so difficult or is it so time consuming to find the reaction? Suppose, are you with me? Summation
Sir, RE is equal to 58.18
R.
E.
Okay. And what about RA?
31.82.
Have you applied the formula R is equal to under root that?
Sir, RV, sorry, sir.
No, you should find. Okay. Either you keep as it is or you can go for resultant. Choice is yours.
हा सर आता सांगितलेलं आरव्ही आलाय सर सॉरी सर.
Okay. Summation of x equal to I will apply. RH is going towards RH, so I will write RH. So actually I should say RAH because it is horizontal component at point A. So more precise. If you go RAH minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, RAH equal to 10. Equation number 1. What about this RV? Before that, I will apply summation of Fy equal to 0. So what will happen? RAV plus RE minus 40 minus 30 horizontal force minus 20 equal to 0. So RAV plus RE equal to 90. Okay, equation number 2. Now we will go. What we will go? So what I will do? Sorry. What I will do? Summation Fy. Okay, apply. Summation of F. Summation of F. Summation of moment. Sorry. Summation of moment due to all the forces at point. What A we will take A. So just check. Is it possible to apply in this stress?
Yes sir.
Sir, yes.
Just check. Summation of moment due to all the forces at point A equal to 0. So what will be that? Suppose 40 force will take 40. Object will rotate clockwise, no? So 40 into what will be the perpendicular distance? All members are 3 meter long, means half will be 1.5. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this 30, again it will be positive into this means half. 3 plus 1 and half. How much it will be? 4.5.
Yes sir.
4.5.
And then that last force is also we will take 20 into 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Okay. And then what about 10? Object will rotate anti-clockwise. So 10 into what is perpendicular distance?
2.59.
3 into root 3 by 2.
Sir 2.59.
Okay. This horizontal distance you want, this angle is 60. So if you consider this much, this much right angle, the triangle. So diagonal will be 3. So sine 60. So front side we want to know, no? So under root 3 by 2 of 3.
Yes, sir.
2.59 sir.
So it will come 2.59. Just check. Under root 3 by 2 of 3. Because it is in front of 60-degree angle. So just check. Whoever is telling. Under root 3 into. Sorry. Now you have to come out of that your simultaneous equation solving. Shift mode. You have to press shift button. Shift button आहे calculator वरती.
Yes, sir.
Sir
Shift
RE.
button दाबा पहिले.
Sir RE.
Wait. I have not calculated. Shift wait. Not shift wait. Shift button press करा. बघा बरं काय येतंय. शिफ्ट दाबल्यानंतर शिफ्ट आणि इक्वल टू तर शिफ्ट आणि मोड प्रेस करा. क्लिअर ऑल मीन्स सी रिसेट ऑल म्हणा, तुमचं कॅल्क्युलेटर रिसेट होऊन जाईल. शिफ्ट
थ्रीला
मोड
करायचं का सर क्लिक ऑल ला?
ऑल ला क्लिक करायचं, ऑल ला तुमचं कॅल्क्युलेटर रिसेट होतं.
कशासाठी सांगताय सर तुम्ही हे?
मी ह्याच्यासाठी सांगतोय की कॅल्क्युलेटर वरती आपण जस्ट थोड्या वेळापूर्वी सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सोडवले होते. तुम्ही रिसेट केलं का नाही त्याच्यासाठी सांगतो, कारण मी केलेलं नव्हतं कॅल्क्युलेटर. तुम्ही केलं असेल तर ओके, किंवा
झालं
इट
सर.
मे बी डिप. Okay. 10 into this perpendicular distance. And what is remained? RE is remained. RE. What is that RE? Again, anti-clockwise. RE anti-clockwise into perpendicular distance 6. Correct?
6.
Equal to 0. From this, calculate RE equal to
58.16.
58.16.
16.
You tell. I don't know what is the answer.
माझा असा आला
Others.
sir.
येस सर,
Others.
माझं मगाशी 0.18 आलं सर सेम.
Point after point we can understand. Before point there should not be difference.
हा सर सेम आहे सर आन्सर.
Okay, no issue then. So here I will write 3 reactions. I will not calculate what we can say. Resultant.
RAV sir.
RAV calculate करायचं राहिला का आपण?
Yes sir.
From this. Okay, from this RAV equal to calculate करा.
31.84.
31.84.
Yes, sir.
31.84 kilonewton. Then RAH calculate केला आपण
10.
किती आहे 10
10.
kilonewton. आणि RE किती calculate झाला आपला 58.16 kilonewton. आणि RAV already we have calculated 31.84. So these are the reactions. Now number 1. Now I will not calculate resultant. Forget about resultant. Okay, let us see here what will happen. What will happen here? Consider point A. So FBD of point A. आता मी काय करतो FBD काढतो point A ची पहिल्यांदा. Okay, so what will be that? Vertical माहिती आपल्याला फोर्स किती आहे RV or RAV. Horizontal माहिती झालं आपल्याला किती आहे, maybe it is something like this. किती RAH. And in this way again here now we have to assume choice is yours now. Yep, AC. And here it will be, what is that? Yep,
FAB.
FAB. Now choice is yours, how you are going to assume. तर तुम्हाला कसं assume करायचं आणि हा अँगल असेल कसं assume करायचा तुम्हाला हा फोर्स FAB.
कम्प्रेसिव्ह.
Whatever your choice, assume करायला काही लागत नाही. You can assume whatever you want. You can assume compressive. Okay, and how you are going to assume this AC?
टेन्साईल.
Choice is yours.
सर ते मगाशी पॉझिटिव्ह आलते असं घेतल्यावर.
Let it be. If it assume करायला तुम्हाला कन्स्टेंट नाही, तुम्हाला काय assume करायचे ते करा. If it will come negative, change the nature. If it will come positive, retain the nature. That's all. तुम्ही विचार करून assume करायचं नाही. Choice is yours. Directly, blindly you can assume. Blindly काहीही विचार न करता. Likewise you can proceed. आणि अशा पद्धतीने पुढे proceed व्हायचं step by step. Okay. So try to solve this problem. If not, tomorrow we'll solve. Whether it will be okay. I have given a hint just so you can proceed in this way. Roll number 3. Who is 3? 312. 3, 12, 27. 3, 12, 27. 56. 56, 56 and 57. 3, 12, 27, 56 and 57 are the absent, remaining are present. Is it possible? Will you try this very carefully?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes, sir.
you try
Yes,
it.
sir.
If not, we will solve. Many more members are there. Even it will take 2 to 3 hours, minimum 2 hours to solve this. Minimum, I'm saying, minimum 2 hours it will take. Okay. With this, we will stop for today. Thank you.